Hi, I am Sujal from PropertyTadka.com. PropertyTadka.com is an online platform for vacation home property buyers and sellers. It offers range of vacation home property types like apartment, bungalow, pool villa, NA plots, farmhouse land, beach houses and many more. In multiple mainstreams and unexplored exotic location of India for sale or rent. PropertyTadka.com is a team having extensive experience and expertise into digital marketing, vacation home development, vacation rentals, technology support, funding and investment consulting for developers and landowners. To know more about Property Tadka and how it works, we need to understand the meaning of broad terms used on our website. A seller means a developer promoting properties of his projects, or an agent authorized for selling or renting a particular property, or an owner promoting his own property for resale or for rent. A buyer means people looking for purchase of vacation home property or long lease. And an agent means an employee of a developer authorized to sell property, or a commission agent authorized by a developer, or an individual owner, and a Property Tadka advisor authorized to promote and sell the property. Property Tadka platform can be game changer for vacation home developers. Let us look into developer benefits. A developer can post multiple properties free of cost, reduce marketing and lead cost, have focus approach of selling individual units instead of marketing the whole project. Instead of offering monopoly of sale, can allocate properties to multiple agents and ensure results. Customize insider deals, time-bound offers, and featured listing for each unit against small amount of subscription cost. Individual property owners looking for resale of their vacation home property also have the same platform and benefits. Now let us understand Property Tadka as buyer's perspective. As buyer, you can browse through multiple vacation home properties as per your choice of location and budget. Add to favorites, compare similar properties, look for insider deals and benefits. Download e-brochure and get contact details for seller. A buyer can browse through all properties free of cost, but to generate genuine leads for seller. A small subscription fee is charged to buyer to check insider deals and get regular updates. Properties sold by Property Tadka tagged with special flag. Such properties offer additional Property Tadka support to buyers. Number 1. A buyer gets free consultation for interior and furnishing, making the property desirable and suitable for vacation rentals. Number 2. Buyer gets option of assured fixed rental income with some self-use access. Number 3. Buyer can make higher rental income by opting for profit-sharing vacation rental contract with Property Tadka and at the same time have some personal access. Buyer can also enjoy multiple location by exchange of personal access of his property. Number 4. Company offers property management end-to-end service at nominal cost. Number 5. Property resale support for fast liquidation of investment with appreciated value. So what are you waiting for? Visit PropertyTadka.com and start selling your vacation home property. Thank you all for watching this video.